Okay, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to be drawing Burning Godzilla from Godzilla King of the Monsters, and let's get into this. So I'm just going to start right here with like a pencil, with pencil B. I'm just going to like make this right here, like his brow, make it like that. So, like that. Okay, this is very blurry for some reason. And now I'm just gonna have this part come right here. So just like that. That's the laundry noise button. That's a bit loud, so I don't know if the phone will pick it up, but I don't really know. So now I'm just gonna have this come like right here. It's like I can't have like, so I'm just gonna like make this come like, it shouldn't be like too big. So just like that. I'm just gonna add this part coming down. So just like that. I'm gonna add the tongue right here. Like that. And the teeth. So I'm gonna have to like hurry up on this one, because like I just been taking way too long lately, but like not on my videos, but like I've been trying to make a lot of more videos. Like I keep messing up, but so I'm just gonna start off like this. So just like that. Okay, this is going out. Okay, that's just the laundry noise. Pause the video. Okay, so let's just quiet it down a bit. I was like 20 seconds. So like that. And then right here, I'm just gonna like bring this back. Okay, that's the sound again, but okay, I don't know if you can hear that. No, that's I don't know why I'm recording next to a window, but I think it's, the camera might not pick it up, I don't know. So like the spikes just come like right here. So I'm gonna draw it smaller than my last video at that 2K. Like I don't know what that sound is. Just, okay, but when I watch my older videos, it seems like no, I don't have to say, but what is that sound? I don't know why. Okay, whoever's watching this right now is probably gonna be annoyed if you heard it. Whatever, but I don't know why I record. The only reason why I record next to a window is because the lighting is a bit better, you know? So the lighting is better. Yeah, that's when I recorded on a tablet, and I tried to make videos on a tablet, but the lighting was so bad. But I probably don't need to do that right now. But well, there's still another reason. I need to record next to a window because, like, if I attach the thing that holds the camera on the table, if the table moves, it's gonna move too, and you know, that's gonna be a big problem. So I don't know what that sound is. So I'm just gonna have this part come down like this, and I don't know what that sound is. So yeah, I'm just gonna expand that a bit. So loud. Oh my gosh, this is so loud. Why is it that loud? I never heard it. But I'm sure we can just turn the volume down on our editor and I can just speak louder. And so you won't hear it. So I'm just gonna have it like that. And so just gonna like make it like that. I'm just gonna add something like some stuff right there. So now I'm just gonna have like have this part come right here. And now this part's just gonna come right here. Like back over there. Over there. So just like this, I'm just gonna have it like come in like then this just like splits up. So I'm just gonna have like this part come like that too. So okay, so I have to really hurry up right now, but I'm just late for something, so I have to hurry up right now. Okay, you can slow down the video with the playback speed, but it'll be bad to hear. You can turn the volume down. You don't really need to hear me speak. If I'm going too fast, though. So now I'm just gonna have this come over here. So the only reason I was going to make before this, I was trying to make a video Godzilla 2014 poster, but I couldn't edit it because it took like a million years. It took too long, so I just couldn't do it. So just like that, and then I'm just gonna have this part coming down here. So like I'm gonna color this too after I need to do something, but I don't really need to do it, but okay, so just like that. I feel like I really need to put that higher. Yeah, just like that, because I need you guys to see it. So yeah, I really need 1K more views, because like I have not gotten K in so long. Like October, November were my best months of uploading until ever since the channel stopped. And so I'm just gonna have that ever since November 4th. My channel's November 4th, I think, and my channel already got so many subscribers. Like in November, my channel had 59 plus subscribers, and in October had 51. But I've gained 20 subscribers a month. So, but it's not too bad, you know. You can get 500 subscribers. You don't really need 1,000 subscribers. You can already get on it. I'm not a cheapskate. So just like that. And now I'm just gonna have like this part coming like that. So I'm gonna have like this part come like down there. So I feel like this video is gonna get more views than my other one. My other one is 2.2K views. now there's a baby. Be loud. But okay, I need to like have his arm. So I just want to cut it off right there. I don't want to see. I don't want to draw his arm right there. So just like that. I need. Why is? Okay, whatever. So. Okay, I just need to pause it right now because I'm getting so many interruptions. Okay, just quiet it down a bit. I realized I have to make longer videos. I had my channel for 9 months right now. I need to get 1,000 subscribers or 3,000 hours of watch time before the end of the year. Because if I don't, I'm gonna be gaining much slower. I get like 2 watch hours a day, 2 hours of watch a day. Like, but I don't really know. So it's not like a daily thing I check. But, so just like that, I'm gonna add some detail. So. But I'm gonna color this too. So just, yeah, just gonna color this too. So yeah, like that, I'm pretty much done right here. So
yeah, I hope this gets K, but yeah, I think this should get K, but I don't know. But
so yeah, that's really much it for today's video. Except we just need to draw the eye. So the eye, it should be really easy to draw. I remember drawing this last video. It was really easy to draw, so it should be easy. It should be easy to draw, like so. So like I'm gonna have that go right there. That's good right there. I'm gonna thicken up these lines here too. So it's gonna be like that. So yes, that's it for today's video on how to draw Burning Godzilla from Godzilla King of the Monsters. And yeah, so that's basically it, and see you in the next one.